afternoon, evening, whatever it may be for y'all watching. I'm going to cut up a pineapple here and get it decored and skinned. We're going to make a homemade cough syrup. I've got a 12-ounce bag of cranberries. Give me just a second, I have to go get my muddler. Okay, fill my muddler. We're going to take 2 clean glass jars, fill the bottom with these cranberries. I'm using 8-ounce jars, so they're probably quarter way full. We're going to take the muddler here and just push a little, and it's just shake and push. I'm just breaking the skins on the cranberries. I don't want them mush. I'm just giving them a head start. Don't know if this is how everyone does it. I just know this is how I'm going to do it because I know cranberry skins can be tough. So I'm just going to give them a head start. I did finish coring this pineapple. Probably only going to use about half. Some of the eyes, as I call them, the skin of the pineapple, is still on it. So it's a big piece. See here. Okay. I might be able to do a third jar. Pineapple's good. Oops. Alright. Let's do a fourth. Whoa! Dishwasher hit you. Ooh, that's too many. Got core happy. Add a few more to it. Finish off this bag. Squeeze them in my hand and put them in there. I need to muddle these. I'm going to pour honey over this, so I want to make sure I get as much fruit as I do in here, where I can get the acidity right and the breakdown of the fruit. Alright, I think that's all I'm getting. Scoop it to the back. Got my lid. We're going to pour honey over this, and then it will set for 7 to 15 days. And you've got a homemade cough syrup. And then once it sets and it's to your liking, you're going to strain it and keep it in a jar. So you're going to discard the fruit. Oop, oop. Let me finish filling these and I will be back and show you. Okay, I've got the fruit covered. I've got a damp rag here. I'm just going to wipe around the rims. Make sure it's clean, because I did spill some honey. Piece of pineapple rind. And again, then once you do this, set it in a cool, dark place, 7 to 8 days. You could go up to 10. But once it gets that watery effect, it needs to be strained from the fruit to stop the fermenting. Burp them, because they will make gas, or don't put the lids on tight and they'll burp themselves. Here they are. And there you go. If you like my content and the stuff I do, go follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Lemon8, YouTube, and YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Lemon8. Thanks. Bye.